Hello everyone and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I have a really exciting video. So it is a double unboxing. I recently went on a family trip, and on this trip I managed to escape for a little bit and do a little bit of shopping. So I thought I'd share with you guys what I got. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have two items. I have a small item and I also have a bigger item. So I am going to start with this small item. And let me open it up and then I can tell you guys a little bit of story time. So this is the first item that I picked up. So it's a bag within a bag. And if you purchase something similar from Louis Vuitton, you probably already know what this is. So let me open this up. So the first item that I picked up is a Louis Vuitton perfume. And I have been wanting this for a while. I think I sound like a broken record. In every single video that I get something new, I always say I've been wanting it for a while. But I'm telling you guys the truth because apparently I probably just want a lot of things. So let's just get that out of the way. Yes, I have been wanting this for a while. But let me tell you guys a little bit of backstory. So I tested positive for COVID the last week of January. And I had written down the scent that I wanted for my perfume in a card because I had gone to the store previously and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I just don't know when. So I lost my taste and smell, and to this day, I cannot taste or smell. So I went into the Louis Vuitton store and I had written down the scent that I wanted, which is rosé something rosé something. I don't remember the rest of it. So whenever I was there, the sales associate basically sprayed that perfume that I was asking for and she gave it to me. And just disclaimer, prior to me going to the store, I had a negative COVID test. So even though I tested negative the week before I went on this family trip, my taste and smell still have not come back. I mean, other than that, I'm doing well, but my taste and my smell are just non-existent right now. So I went into the store. She basically gave me a smell of the scent that I had asked for. And then she gave me, I couldn't smell it. I asked my husband to smell it for me. He's like, oh, it smells good. And then she gave me this smell. And she's like, this is our most popular one. So of course I gave it to my husband. And the sales associate, I think, thought that I couldn't smell anymore. So she gave me the coffee beans, you know, that whenever you go and smell perfumes that they give you. So she gave me the coffee beans, and I mean, I went along with it. I smelt it, but I didn't want to tell her, hey, I can't taste or smell. I didn't want her to freak out. And I didn't want to go into this whole spiel of, don't worry, I tested negative. But I could not smell. So I basically left it up to my husband. And he's like, they both smell good. And I was basically interrogating him. I'm like, they both smell fruity, right? He's like, yeah. So I got this perfume. I went with the sales associate, what she said. She's like, this is our most popular one. This is also a fruity scent. So obviously I haven't opened it. I still can't taste or smell. So I do not know how this actually smells. So we will find out if my taste and smell ever come back. But whatever my husband chose, I guess that's how I'm going to smell. But yes, this is my first item that I picked up. It is the ATTRAPE-RêVES. I have no clue how to spell it here. Let me see if this will focus. You guys can tell what it says. But let me actually open up the packaging. Like I said, I haven't opened it, so I'm going to open it up with you guys. I'm going to show you guys the bottle because the bottle just looks so pretty. Okay, that's out of the way. So how does this open? It's fancy. Oh, okay guys. Look. Ooh, this is so pretty. So pretty. This is my first time buying a perfume from Louis Vuitton. So, oh goodness. Okay. Guys, look at this bottle. Isn't this the most luxurious bottle you've ever seen? So this is so pretty. And, oh my goodness. This is what it looks like with the top on. The top does, ooh, it's magnetic. So it basically just goes in, and then the detail on the lid is just to die for. So I had been looking at these perfumes for a while, and the reason why I decided to go for them, so they are a little bit more on the pricier side. Let me find the receipt. So these perfumes retail for $265, but they are refillable. So every time that you refill it, all you have to do is just pay $100. So yes, the first time you basically are paying for the bottle, but after that, once you go through it, $100 to me seems worth it. So this is the first item that I picked up. Okay guys, so now comes my big item. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen this bag. So I did go ahead and open it, and I tried it on in store, and I showed it on my stories. But let me show you guys. So this was, I don't want to say it was an impulsive buy, but it wasn't on my wish list for this year. But it was on my wish list on my Louis Vuitton wish list, which that list is like endless. But I was trying to be really good and really stick to my wish list this year, because I have a couple of big items on my wish list. So anyways, I tried this purse on whenever I went to go pick up my perfume. I knew I wanted that. I knew I was going to get that no matter what. And whenever I tried it on, basically the next day, we went on this trip for a family. We took our kids, and I didn't want it to be a shopping trip, but I could not get this bag out of my head. So I told my husband, I'm like, can we go back to the Louis Vuitton store? And I know that he already knew what I was going to say, but I was like, I can't get that purse out of my head. He's like, okay, let's go. So yeah, this is the purse that I bought. Kind of on a whim, kind of not, because like I said, it wasn't on my 2021 wish list. However, I did have this bag on my wish list, Louis Vuitton wish list online. And this is the first time that I had tried it on. And whenever I tried it on, I instantaneously fell in love with it. But I didn't buy it right then and there. I went back to my hotel room and I thought about it, and the very next day I was like, oh no, I have to go back for it. This is the perfect spring and summer bag. Okay guys, so let me open it up. So there goes the ribbon. And like I said, I think this bag is the perfect spring and summer bag, and guys, I cannot wait to wear it. Okay guys, so this is the bag. And honestly, I don't even know the name of it. I'll look in the receipt right now. So bad. But this, guys, oh my goodness, look at how cute. So the first thing that I thought of, let me get this out of the way. So the first thing that I thought of whenever I first tried this on was like, okay, I need to make sure that it fits my phone. So it does fit your phone, just in case if you're wondering. If you have the largest iPhone, it does fit in here perfectly actually, and there's still plenty of room. So this bag is so roomy. I just have been seeing a lot of these circle crossbody bags, and I was browsing the Louis Vuitton website one night like I always do, and I was like, ooh, this bag is interesting, it's different, and the leather is treated. So what I mean by that is I asked the sales associate as well. So the first thing that I noticed is that the vachetta is not like this lighter vachetta that you usually see in the new Louis Vuitton bags. This is actually treated leather. So what that means is, yes, it's still going to get darker, but if you do get watermarks or if you get stains, they're not going to be as noticeable. So this leather on this bag, and I've been seeing more and more Louis Vuitton bags have this treated leather. So it's a little bit more on the darker side, which I love. So this is a crossbody bag, but I have seen people wear it multiple ways because the strap is adjustable. So if you guys can see here, so throughout the strap, it has these little holes, and that's because it's kind of meant like a belt here on the side. So basically you take this out and you adjust it to the side that you want. This can go all the way over here to this side. Like I said, it's like a belt here on the side. So I did not want to purchase this online, and I'm so glad that I didn't, because I went into the store, wanted to make sure that my phone fit, because I do not want to carry my phone in my hand or have to carry it in my jeans, or what if I have leggings, whatever the case may be. I wanted to make sure that it fit in here and that there was still room, and this is pretty roomy. So it does come with this, I don't even know what this color is, the interior. It's definitely not, it's like a brownish green color. I don't even know how to explain it. So it has this pocket here, this open pocket here on the side, and then the rest of it is just all open. It's kind of hard to, it's pretty secure. And then the inside is suede, which I am not particularly a fan of, but I do love this bag. So I want to show you guys what it looks like on, because, oh guys, this bag, I can already tell I'm going to be wearing it all summer and all of spring. So the top does come with 2 zippers, so it's a dual zipper close. Ooh. And another thing that I love is the zipper detail. So around the zipper, it is like this maroon color here on the outside, which I love. And like I said, it is a dual zipper here. And the vachetta, the darker vachetta, I just love. So it looks like a well-aged Louis Vuitton bag. That's what it looks like without all the watermarks. That's how it comes. And obviously this is brand new, so I will let you guys know how it basically ages with time. So I do plan to wear this a lot. I don't plan to baby it because it is a crossbody bag. And to me, in my opinion, crossbody bags are meant to be carefree. So I plan to wear this more with like sundresses and maybe like some cutoff shorts, but I envision this with more like wavy type of clothes, kind of flowy and airy. That's how I see this bag to be styled. So the name of this bag, I don't really know it, and I will leave it down in the description box, the actual name of it, and I will link it so that way in case you guys are interested. But the price for this bag is $1,820. So it is kind of pricey for a crossbody bag, a small crossbody bag, but guys, whenever I needed that I could not get this out of my head, I truly, truly mean it, because it's just that stunning. I mean, you guys definitely, I recommend going into the Louis Vuitton store and trying this out. I can see this being an it bag for this spring and summer coming up. But let me show you guys what it looks like on me. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Isn't it the most gorgeous bag? Oh my goodness, guys. I love this bag. I don't know. This is just so gorgeous. So this is on the lowest strap possible here, the longest. So this is where it hits me. It hits me right at the hip. I think it's perfect. I am 5'7". I don't know how it would look if I would put it a little bit more up. No, I think I'm going to go ahead and leave it here. And then also I don't have to worry about the bottom portion basically hanging, because if it doesn't go all the way down here to this other belt, then yes, this portion down here will be hanging here on the side. But I think this looks perfect on me. As far as the length, let me go ahead and show you. So if this was like a wavy dress, can you guys imagine like how cute this would look? Definitely, definitely a must. You guys will be seeing me wear this all summer and all spring. Well, that is all for today, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. If you did, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.